Assalaamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakaathu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi wa kafa wa sallallahu wa sallama wa baraka ala ibadihi alladhina istafa wa ba'd. All praise is due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Blessings and salutations upon Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless him and all his companions, to bless his household, to bless every single one of us, to bless all those who have struggled and strived to protect this deen and to practice it and bring it forth to us. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant our offspring also steadfastness on this deen as well as us. Ameen.
To be in the company of those who are good, to choose good friends, to have good company. Good company is that which when you are going astray, they can remind you, my sister, you are not reading your salah. As close as you are, as close a friend as you are to me, I have seen in the Quran, Allah says, those bosom buddies who were closest in our language, tightest with one another, shall be the biggest of enemies on the day of Qiyamah for one reason. They did not remind one another when it came to doing good and to forbidding evil. They did not remind one another, they just let it pass. So they will be enemies. Why didn't you tell me? You knew it, you saw it. You saw me going astray. You saw what I did. You didn't remind me. Today, you remind someone, brother, you know what? This flirtation and this affair that you're having is wrong. Give it up for the sake of Allah. Do you know what they'll tell you? But she's such a nice woman. Well, everyone's nice then. MashaAllah. How can I break her heart? MashaAllah. See me trying to put on that Malaysian accent? How can I break her heart? Yeah? MashaAllah. Don't worry. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows. Discuss it, explain it, and understand you cannot earn the wrath of Allah. The pain may come for a while. You either get up and be a man and do what you have to, or throw it out. Don't be on the fence. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us steadfastness. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala open our doors. My beloved brothers and sisters, sins that we engage in, that we do not give up, that is what keeps us away from steadfastness. It makes us lose the flavor of our salah. It makes us lose the essence of our iman. It makes us lose the straight path, and it makes us engage in other sins and consider them nothing serious if we've engaged in them. So this is why it's important to have good company, good friends. Until we meet again, sallallahu wa sallam wa baraka ala nabina Muhammad. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.